Hey, Robin here from Post Professionals. Here just one chapter from one of my longer videos for easier access. But if you prefer to watch the whole thing in one go, you can find the link either up here or down in the description. Either way, I hope you enjoy, and if you do and it was helpful, maybe do me a solid and give me a thumbs up, or even smash the old subscription button, which really helps the channel. Thanks, and now this. And aside from a couple of other changes that we won't be talking about here, we now also have the same options to encode proxy media as ProRes or H.264 here as we do in Final Cut in a new proxy settings group. Including these options here give you the ability to have even more flexibility in the proxies you create. You can set up a preset to burn in timecode, add custom LUTs, etc., as well as have more control over where you want the files to go. Or even create a droplet of your desired preset for quick and easy drag and drop encoding from the desktop, for example. Additionally, you could use Compressor to leverage distributed processing for large 8K files, for example, or assign actions to take place after a batch has been completed. And you can, of course, customize any preset to use any other codec for your proxies, such as these that I put together that use both 8 and 10-bit HEVC as the output format, with and without alpha channels. I simply use these to render out my files and then go to Final Cut to relink them as my proxies, as you saw me do in the earlier part of this video. And lastly, for those of you already using Compressor for distributed processing, you'll probably be very happy to know that it now uses SMB as its protocol for improved reliability and performance. So altogether, in the end, not bad for a supposedly small incremental update. So, was that helpful? Again, if so, then maybe give me a quick thumbs up or even hit the subscription button and little bell to help the channel, which allows me to continue to produce these free tutorials and so you don't miss future ones. For that, a huge thank you in advance, and I hope to see you in the next one, or maybe in one of these videos that YouTube thinks you need to have seen as well. Either way, until then, take care.